How to validate emails from Google Sheets and update the email validation results by using MailboxValidator in Integromat. Firstly, log into your Integromat dashboard. Select Create a new scenario. Click on the Add icon. Search for Google Sheets. Select Watch Role. You may connect to your Google account here if you have not connected it before. Then, select a spreadsheet that contains your email list for validation. Select the sheet. Increase the limit. Click OK. Select all. Click OK. After that, click on Add another module. Search for MailboxValidator. There are 4 actions available, which are Free Email, Disposable Email, Single Email Validator, and Make an API call. You may select any actions that you prefer. In this demonstration, I would like to choose the disposable email, as I would like to check if an email address is from the disposable email provider. Select the disposable email. If you have not connected your MailboxValidator account with Integromat, you may click on Add and enter API key here. You may find your API key in your MailboxValidator dashboard. Let me show you how to get your API key. Go to MailboxValidator website. Click on Login. Enter login details and click Login. This is your MailboxValidator dashboard. You may find your API key here. Kindly copy your API key. Go back to the Integromat website. Paste your API key here and save it to continue. Select the column name, which contains the email addresses. For my sheet, the column name is Enter Your Email. Then, click on OK. After that, add another module, which is Google Sheets. Select Update a Row, as we would like to update the email validation result as a new column in Google Sheets. Select your spreadsheets and sheets. Select the row number. I would like to update the email validation result in this column. Therefore, I will select a disposable email validation result from MailboxValidator. Click on OK. Press Run once. Let's go to the Google Sheets to check the result. The disposable email column had been updated to true or false. The true value means it is a disposable email, whereas the false value means it is not a disposable email. Thanks for watching.